With a fleet of mobile service vans covering Devon and Cornwall, Vosper's is working hard to provide you with the most efficient service possible. And that's why we can now come to you to service your vehicle. With our expert Ford-trained technicians, we can carry out a range of servicing, repairs, updates, even recalls, and you get the same service out on the road as you do in our workshop.
The main advantage for private customers using Vosper's mobile service is the fact we come to your home and don't disrupt your day in any way, shape or form.
On board each van is Ford state-of-the-art diagnostic equipment, and we only ever use Ford-approved parts.
As for business customers, we will come to your depot or workplace and service your vehicle there, reducing downtime and helping with your efficiencies.
If you feel that this service benefits you or your business in any way, then please contact us at Vosper's Ford to book your vehicle in.